Hi, this is Tarek here from stockoptionexpert.com. Going to go through some of our top trades of the week. Some of the big movers been airline stocks. Look at this, wow, moving averages work like magnet here. In this case, for the dollars here, although the earnings, this is the earnings day, this is what happened, and following day in the morning the stocks pulled back, and I had a post in my public account saying that dollars goes moves 4% on the earnings day, so they moved it lower on the following day, and then this one came to do at 50-day moving average, and big volume came in here. And right here I saw 5,000 plus calls got bought here at the low of the day around 38 zone. Big move. Some of these calls have gone up as high as 120%, so this was a massive mover. We locked our profits. Any one of you follow me on my public account, you should see it. Even this morning, if you are trading dollars, just go back to my public post. You will see that this is the resistance. We told our folks you have to take profits here as it has developed resistance around this zone here, the top of the day. Also some Bollinger Band resistance you can see here clearly, and it pulled back. But it's still hanging around here. So this is was a nice trade of the day. Another major movers of the day was CRMs. This was a pattern alert for our folks. If you look closely, you can see this pullback here with the big volume. Still stocks closed above the 50, above the almost like the 50% here above, and high volume. It did not go low. It means there was buyers here. Now again, if you are a regular and you don't have experience, you may think this was a bearish. Since it's closed bit higher, this was kind of a bullish action, and then it moved higher on the news of all related to Twitter. As soon as this they are not bidding anymore for the Twitter, so stocks that exploded today. And so this was the head, and this is the left shoulder, right shoulder. It created a bullish pattern. It was shared only with our members. You can see this is our premium Twitter option expert premium. This is a private account, so this is where we gave it to our folks at 12:01 p.m. 13 October yesterday. So look at this CRM. This CRM just exploded, has inverse head and shoulder, bullish if held. So it said as soon as they brought it back, and then big volume came in, they pushed it higher again. Now this thing has to stay above 50-day moving average for higher, otherwise it will consolidate around this area. Nice move. Bulls in control. The signal came from here. You have to see everything and the big picture. Also, they had big 72.5 calls volume. If you are a CRM trader, go in my public account. I believe I had this post right here. They had to bring it back up here to make money off those calls. Even just right now, I'm checking what's the CRM options volume distribution. If you look at it, go to open interest, the biggest volume sitting in 75 strike, 77.5 strike, almost like total almost like 50,000 plus calls were sitting in a while. Again, it depends. If you are a day trader, of course you got stopped here, so it does not make sense talking about those open interests, because you are trading it short term, and for sure you got stopped here, or even here, even if you traded those 72.5 calls. So it all depends. You try time frame. Even if you are day trading, right here you got stopped out with this pullback, you would think this is crashing, but the big move came as soon as the news came out about Twitter and CRM. CRM is not batting anymore for the Twitter. So Twitter is just I don't know how can Reuters, they can float such a manipulative news. And again, many companies wanted to buy but then there was investors pressures and they had to take their bid off. But again, even in this zone here, there was big call volume here. It's because someone even was sure about this move that was coming, like this whole move here. You go back on my account, go back to these days, you will see I shared here on this day here, and still from this point on it went up another $3 move here, and then all negative news, it just got crushed. So you have to respect your stops. If something doesn't work right now, watch this. There is some support here around 1625 level. Analyst keeps saying that the real Twitter value is around 16 $17, so it's back at where it should be. It might be consolidating next few days unless it finds any buyers or anything. So again, let's see if anybody comes out. So this is the level you want to check around. Some other plays you have to watch was we were day trading this day today. This is still we just closed market here. It was in my public account. Just wanted to show. In fact, it came to our folks, I believe. Right as it was bouncing. Just want to show how we played it. It went directly. This is from our intraday post here. Look at this. 6 hours ago at 10 to 24 a.m. we said TZA is like VX investor, some intraday support, yes, SPY, some resistance, mini pullbacks coming. So this was our prediction of that SPY was going to pull back, and since then this moved nicely off that 1024. That was our. I had a 5-minute chart. Look at when 1024 was. Sorry, today 1024 was here. I believe this candle. No, in fact 1024 was here. So we just nailed it. Just 28, almost like $1 move perfectly. $1. It was 50 cents. This is where we took some profit, but still it went up. Look, by $1. This is today's whole move at October 24. So this is nice SPY pullback from data. I'm not over trading SPY, to be honest. Although I do see levels, it was resistance was leveling. This is almost so much like range bound, you can get caught up. So I'm day trading all this depending where it opens and where it closes. So this developed a resistance around 20-day line and it pulled back to day low. Also, this is a whole mess. Unless this breaks, it's not going lower to 11 and lower. So you have to, next short will be below to 11. In between it will keep ranging here. But if they raise the interest rate in December, it can be a bit bearish for the market. So you want to keep an eye how this whole thing plays out. Also, other ones you want to watch. There was big bullish bet on this one, Brcd. Although there was 9,000 call block alert. At open. Look at this. This is 6 times regular volume. January 9 calls, the earnings coming on November. So this is someone taking a big bullish bet on Brcd. You want to keep an eye on, or total is sorry. So if the earnings they can beat, so this can be bullish for the stocks here. So you want to keep an eye how this whole thing plays out. For now, stock is holding pretty well. This should be your level here, some support zone. It will not go up just one day, but again, as soon as you hold this level, it pushes higher, premium will go higher ahead of earnings volatility. So you have to keep an eye. Another big ones I was watching, Moo keeps holding here, call buyers here on this day, low here, low here. Again, I'm not saying it, just go back to my account on October 10th. You will see here I said it. It's nicely moved. One of the followers, he made nice 370 5%, 75% on this call here. So massive for that follower, and congratulations on the move. So Micron. So keep an eye. Also keeping an eye. Try playing and surviving is playing day to day. Otherwise, you'll get crushed, and you have to be very careful in this market with all this job fast. It seems like it's crashing down, then it reverses up. You have to know overbought, oversell condition, moving averages, support, pattern, earnings. Otherwise, you can get crushed. Thank you. Please share.